Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas after making this particular narrow pattern, it has break this particular trend. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen this narrow pattern has been break at this level. Okay, so he started going above 3.7. Chances are very high it can go further upside. Now it is trading at a level of 4. You have to keep it in mind that this level we have seen in April of 25, and chances are very high that if the price sustaining above this level, it can go further upside towards $4.12, and if the price going above this level, probability of sustaining above a level of 4.25 we can see, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 4.28 we can see, and if the price going above this level, probability of touching 4.31, and from there a further upside we can see. If you look at this particular trend, a clear U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall, so probability is high it can move towards 3.7, and from there a level of $4.55. Okay, and suppose if the price move above that level, probability of going above a level of 4.9 we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, this is the level 3.99, a level of 3.83, a bounce back we can see at these levels. Okay, so see the natural gas price depends on a lot of factor. One of the factor is dollar index, because they are inversely related. Okay, why dollar index? Because see, when there is import and export, it depends on the dollar prices. So when dollar price increases, we see the quantity of natural gas for which you are paying X amount, you have to pay more amount if the dollar index rises, dollar rises. Okay, similarly vice versa. Coming back on the dollar index, what we can see the dollar 98.7, and what we have seen that this level, if the price started falling below a level of 97.5, a further downfall we can see, because this level we have seen after a very long time. Now the price is above a level of 98, see, in the month of 22. Okay, March of 22. So chances are high if the price started going below this level, we can see it can touch a level of 98.2 to a level of 97.7, and from there it will move below a level of 97.5, and that is already tested, so the price will go further down, and yes, after that the price can touch 96.9, and from there a level of $95.3. If the price falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards 95 to a level of $94.5. But suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can move further upside towards 98.9 to a level of 100.5, and from there a level of $101.9, and then it will move towards 102 to a level of 103.5, and then a further upside movement we can see, and then a level of 104.5. Okay, dollar index and natural gas are inversely related. I explained you in the chart also. Now coming back on the dollar index, coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will go further upside, and yes, it can move further upside towards a level of $4.11. If the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 4.12 will be there. Okay, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 4.18, and this level is already tested, so the price will go further high, and from there a level of 4.19 to a level of $4.24. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see it will touch a level of $4.32. Okay, and once the price going up this level, probability of touching 4.4 to a level of 4.5, and then a further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can towards a level of 3.99. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, chance of touching a level of 3.85. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, chance of going towards 3.69 we can see, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 3.5 we can see. Okay, this is the level we have seen. So if it started falling with 3.5, chance of touching 3.44 we can see, 3.44 to a level of 3.33, because these levels are already tested, so the price will fall further down, and from there it will touch a level of 3.19 to a level of 3.15, then it will move below $3. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.